Si tu Call of Duty Modern Warfare 2 o Warzone 2 se desconecta constantemente, y te aparece el error: tu perfil ha sido desconectado. Esto sucede porque el audio de tu juego no está correctamente configurado. Solo sigue los pasos de este video para resolver el error de tu juego. Primero abre la configuración. Abre sonido. Busca la sección de canales. En chat de voz de partida, selecciona toda la sala. Ahora tu problema estará solucionado y solo queda esperar a que Activision actualice el juego para resolver este problema. Si este tutorial te ayudó, no olvides dejar un like y suscribirte.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Got a build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain.